Introducing the Schiess vertical single-column lathe designed to enhance your machining capabilities. It's equipped with the Siemens Sinumeric 840D control system, ensuring precise control in your operations. Let's dive into the specifications. With a maximum workpiece diameter of 3000 mm and a rotary table clamping diameter of 2800 mm, the Schiess handles substantial projects with ease. It can manage heavy loads with a maximum table load of 18,000 kilograms. For taller workpieces, it accommodates heights of up to 1800 mm. The Z-axis ram travel extends up to 1400 mm, providing stability and precision. The machine offers a tool magazine with 12 positions, adapting to various machining needs. It's powered by a 50 kilowatt main motor for efficient operations. Ready to elevate your CNC machining? Contact us now to explore the possibilities with the Schiess 3D 280.